I've been with more attractive girls. No, you haven't been with more attractive girls. You've been with more attractive girls on your screen. You haven't been with more attractive girls. You know, it's so brutal. It's some of the most disgusting behavior I've ever seen in the world. And you probably have friends like this, friends, quote unquote, friends or men in your social environments whereby, let's say you get into a relationship, or maybe it's not even your relationship. Maybe it's a friend of yours, right? And they're going out with a girl, right? And you go, yeah, but she's mid. She's average. She's average look. She's not that attractive. Most men's conception of what a woman looks like now has been so warped, so polluted, so filled with toxic sludge. They don't even know what a real woman looks like. They don't even know. You know why? You'll know why. It's because of this adult material online. It's because they're spending most of their days self-gratifying themselves to other people in sexual relations. Like imagine this, imagine that. Imagine the standards. People laugh at me. People laugh at me not just because of the glasses. People laugh at me because of what I feel is alluring in a woman now. Like I love dainty collarbones on a woman. I love dainty collar. I love those little dimples at the small parts of the back. I love nice legs. But for the average man, not good enough. Not stimulating enough. You know why? Because you have destroyed your neurochemistry. You've ruined it. You've bludgeoned it to a point where it's beyond repair, where you can't even get physically ready, let's say, because of this. Because like I have a story here, right? This is from a girl, and this is just, it breaks your heart because this is a reality. This is a reality now, guys. I'm being careful with my words here because YouTube has a very quick to demonetize me. So apologies if I'm not being as descriptive as perhaps or crass as I have been in the past. So I'm writing this with profound sadness. I met a guy about a month ago. This was easily the most confusing place I've ever been dating-wise. He wasn't forthcoming about his issues with his sexuality and revealed his lifelong addiction to pee and his erectile dysfunction and how he literally fakes everything because he never felt attraction for anyone. We spent a weekend together and he was genuinely affectionate, loving, gave me lots of compliments, and it was beautiful. And suddenly today he says that he can't even remember my face. Suddenly I felt like a filler object he was just trying to use to test his feelings, like a doll. Can I feel the same kind of sexual arousal for a real woman comparatively to the AI ones that I watch and the ones that are made out of 90% plastic? He says he's disassociated. But does that mean people forget what they said to you or how they acted? Can somebody offer me some kind of advice from experience? This has really messed this up because I offered nothing but support and kindness. I wish I can say that this is the first time I'm reading posts like this, but it's not. It's not. And I go back to what I prefaced at the start because I believe it's such a disgusting reflex that a lot of men have. And you know what? It's usually rooted in the fact that they're so dissatisfied with their own success in the dating market that they have to project their cynicism, their deplorable life, because somebody else has actually found a real woman, an emphasis on the real with the capital R, E, A, and L, a real woman that they can love, have a relationship, develop each other spiritually, and also enjoy each other sexually from time to time, right? So they stick the knife in. They say, she's average looks. She's average. I've been with more attractive girls. No, you haven't been with more attractive girls. You've been with more attractive girls on your screen. You haven't been with more attractive girls. You don't know what a real woman looks like. You haven't even... I need to stop myself here, don't I? Really. I wonder what the comments are saying here. He can't remember your face If this is real, then there is certainly something wrong with him, like he needs to see a medical professional, because that could be a serious mental health issue. Not just mental, but it's coloring his sexual performance as well. Yeah. Your responsibility is you. You don't owe anybody anything. Not even a hello, if you're not inclined. This person has their own struggles and issues, but it sounds like they were lucid and genuine in the moment. I would take that for what it is, as much as this person might talk to you in the circles about woe is me and woe is that. If you had an exchange, you spent time together, and at some point it ended, it was what it was. If they can't recall basic facts about you or what happened, let it stay on them. Focus on you. Yeah, this person is... there's something wrong. There's something wrong, to say the least, and I believe I know what the source is. I believe I know what the source is. You have to go through this process, by the way, of catching yourself in your own lies. Deluding yourself into the fact that this material is good for you and it's not having any effects on you. If you're struggling to find women attractive, yeah, something to consider. Not theories, facts. Speak soon.